Deportation fears around the country are intensifying, including right here in Metro Detroit. And we want to make sure you know your rights. I was at a press conference today talking to civil rights leaders, as well as members of Congress and the Detroit City Council, sharing how this impacts all of us.
Law enforcement cannot enter private areas. That is your house, private areas of businesses, private areas of schools.
Ruby Robinson is the senior managing attorney with the Michigan Rights Center. He says the focus of ICE is civil immigration enforcement, not criminal prosecutions. So it's exceedingly rare for them to have a warrant signed by a judge.
99% of the time, they will not have a warrant. You do not have to let them in. Everyone has the right to remain silent and the right to interpretation. If you do not speak the language of the officer, ask for an interpreter. It is your right. Do not sign anything that you do not understand. I got a chance to chat with Detroit City Council member Gabriela Santiago Romero, one of the hosts of the press conference.
So I know that a lot of people right now think that we're deporting criminals. That's simply because that's the narrative that is being shared, but it's false.
She says one such incident occurred just Tuesday.
A man that was leaving the soccer game here in Southwest Detroit that got pulled over and deported in front of his wife and children. He had been here for over 30 years with no criminal record. So what we're doing is we're creating a sense of fear, and we're going after regular residents that have always been here.
Plus, she says it's already affecting local business districts, which are seeing customers pull back. I also spoke with Congresswoman Rashida Tlaib, who says there is a sense of fear spreading through neighborhoods, leaving people uncertain.
Do I send my kids to school? Do I go to work? Do I take this street down to, go get groceries? I mean, it's just overwhelming. And I call it the militarization, right? Being patrolled, being watched over. So I feel very much the community's paralyzed, trying to figure out, what to do to keep their family safe.
She says the enforcement actions do not fix America's broken immigration system.
Please don't dehumanize our immigrant neighbors. Some of the most hardest working, most loving, most giving communities that you'll find in our country.
Dr. Sadie Sarr, the helmswoman of the African Bureau of Immigration and Social Affairs in Detroit, also spoke out at the press conference.
If this country have issues with immigrants, I am going to be targeted. If this country have issues against Muslim, I am going to be targeted. If this country have issues against black people, I am also a target. So therefore, this is not only urgent, this is that critical.
She says it's important Michiganders stand up for their neighbors.
You should be worried, because what is being taken away is not only immigrant being deported, it's also all these rights that are enshrined in the Constitution. It is actually our democracy that is being taken away.
Now, one more thing that the ACLU of Michigan mentioned today is that ICE may sometimes sign their own warrants, but they said this is not a valid warrant. It must be signed by a judge. Now, I also reached out to ICE today for their response to this. And of course, other things that we were talking about, including deporting people without criminal histories, but they have not yet returned my comment.
Yeah, and I just heard in your story, I mean, a man who had been here for 30 years just got deported. Right. So of course people are nervous, but it's so important for you to know your rights. So please explain to your loved ones and your family members.
That's right. Empower yourselves.
Empower yourself.